Help him. He's saying help him.
You can't help me if I'm on brother duty.
He's like, oh, help me, he's like a little starfish. Yeah.
Oh, Xander. I won't do it, Xander.
Do it on her back.
She got it on Xander.
No, I didn't.
It's alright, it's snow.
It's okay, Xander.
What did Kina do to you?
She got a big one and I had ice in my hand. And she threw the big one at the ice and it went on my face.
So you should just tackle her in the snow.
Who cares?
Don't let her do that to you. Oh!
Oh no!
I know.
No!
Yes! Get her!
No! Stop! Stop!
Get her! Sean, grab her legs! Double leg takedown! Double leg takedown!
Help me! Help me!
Oh, the poor little baby.
Wait,
Wait, help the baby, pick the baby
I
up.
can't. Hold on.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, that's enough for me. I'm going inside.